What if I told you there's a Tesla so cheap, so revolutionary, that Elon Musk himself didn't even want you to know about it? The 2026 Tesla Model 2 isn't just a charisma statement. A $10,375 EV that could flip the entire auto industry upside down, hidden in secrecy, engineered in silence, and now finally exposed. This might be the biggest disruption Tesla has ever unleashed. And the question is, are we ready for it? Asterisk, stop whatever you're doing right now. Do you think you've already witnessed innovation? Think again. Because Elon Musk has just unveiled a $5,678 Tesla tiny house that's sending billionaire real estate moguls into full-blown panic straight from his own words. That's the sort of thing humanity needs for a greater future in space. We must keep pushing that vision. And the key to it all is reusability. That's why we've worked so hard on it. I truly believe this will be an exciting adventure, and I think it's going to work out really well. But here's the twist: this tiny house isn't just applying Musk's reusability philosophy. It's demolishing every single rule we thought existed about modern housing. We're talking about water systems that bend the laws of physics and energy technology that feels ripped out of science fiction. The engineering inside is so advanced that even professionals are questioning reality. Are you ready to discover these unbelievable breakthroughs? Then hit subscribe and turn on that bell icon, because the next few minutes will shatter everything you thought you knew about human ingenuity. How does Tesla's Tesla Flow system transform a tiny house into a water-independent ecosystem that outperforms city utilities? No one could have predicted what Tesla just pulled off with water management. Their new breakthrough Tesla Flow 2025 isn't just a filtration system. It's a quantum leap in sustainable living, built on military-grade purification technology. Using a 7-stage purification process, Tesla Flow includes 0.001 micro reverse osmosis membranes, quantum dot photocatalysis, and UVC sterilization at 254 nanometers, the perfect wavelength for destroying microbes. The result, a mind-blowing 99.99% purification efficiency, exceeding NSF ANSI 58 standards and rivaling semiconductor labs. Its smart rainwater harvesting system comes with self-cleaning gutters and a first flush diverter that discards impurities instantly. For a 400 square ft roof, just 1 inch of rain can yield 248 gallons of pure water, stored safely in a 500-gallon aerospace-grade composite tank held at a steady 55 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent contamination. The gray water recycling system has an unmatched 98.5% recovery rate, far ahead of BlueTeak's 70% and Ecode's 65%. Tesla's machine learning algorithms monitor 64 real-time sensors sampling 1,000 times per second, processing up to 200 gallons daily while consuming 45% less energy than conventional systems. End result: purified water with 50 ppm TDs compared to bottled water's 150 to 400 ppm. Monthly bills plummet from $150, $200 to under $5 over 20 years. Savings hit $45,000, $60,000, while maintenance costs average just $120 per year. And here's the kicker: during droughts or grid failures, Tesla Flow can keep a 2-person household fully water independent for 25 days straight. Can you believe this? A home water system that matches the purity of chip labs, slashes bills to pocket change, and grants near month-long independence. But here's my question: would you trust a machine learning system to manage something as vital as your drinking water? If yes, type Tesla did it in the comments. How does Tesla's revolutionary energy system make this tiny house 400% more efficient than traditional homes? Before we dive deeper, let me ask, would you trade your current home for a Tesla tiny house if it meant zero electricity or water bills forever? Comment 1 for yes, 2 for no, and tell me why. Here's why it matters. Tesla's new home doesn't just meet energy needs, it obliterates old standards. Its Solar V for roofing system achieves 26.4% efficiency, way ahead of the industry's 15 to 18%. A 40 square meters roof setup produces 9.2 kilowatts peak power, delivering 45 to 55 kilowatt hours daily in sunlight and 30 to 35 kilowatt hours even in cloudy weather, far above the average tiny houses. 20 kilowatt hours usage. The Powerwall Plus Gen 4 adds another game changer. 20 kilowatt hours storage with 99.5% conversion efficiency. That's twice the capacity of LG's 9.6 kilowatt hours or Generac's 9 kilowatt hours batteries, yet at a similar install cost on real-world numbers. The average US family spends $2,400, $3,000 annually on electricity. A Tesla tiny house family, practically nothing. Over 25 years, projected energy savings reach $75,000, $90,000. Better yet, during blackouts, this house runs at full capacity for 9 days without sunlight. That's not just independence, it's survival power. How can Tesla's tiny house survive category for hurricanes while regular homes collapse? Tesla's housing design borrows straight from aerospace engineering. Its carbon fiber composite frame, boasts a tensile strength of 145,000 psi, more than double steel's 60,000 psi translation. It can endure category 4 hurricanes, 156 miles per hour winds and magnitude 6.5 quakes without crumbling. AI-powered stress sensors redistribute force in real time, dissipating 40% more impact energy than traditional structures. A hydraulic leveling system shifts the home by 15 in any direction to resist floods and quakes. And mobility. The 375 square FT home can be detached and relocated in under 90 minutes. CFD computational fluid dynamics testing, same software used for Tesla cars, makes it aerodynamic, reducing drag by 60% at highway speeds. Bottom line, this house is not only strong enough to withstand nature, it's smart enough to adapt to it. ***, buried inside Tesla's production strategy lies a secret weapon, one so powerful it could destroy the gas car industry overnight. The Model 2 isn't just another Tesla, it's designed to outprice Toyota, outlast BYD, and rewrite the rules of car ownership. With a gigapress the size of a house and a design that cuts costs in half, this EV is a ticking time bomb for the competition. And once it explodes onto the market, nothing will ever be the same again. ***, would you feel safer riding out a storm in this house or your current one? How is this the world's first AI-powered mobile home you can fully control? Tesla fused AI and mobility into something unheard of, a nomadic smart home. At just £12,000, 40% lighter than competitors, it can be towed by a Cybertruck or Model X. The smart tow system adjusts suspension 1,000 times per second, cutting towing energy use by 27% and keeping stability even at 75 miles per hour. Inside, Tesla's Home OS 4.0 manages over 500 control points, from lighting to HVAC, learning your habits with 245 embedded sensors. Efficiency gains: 42% HVAC savings, 35% better lighting optimization, 89% more accurate occupancy prediction than Google Nest or Amazon Alexa. With Starlink integration, you get 350 Mbps internet anywhere. Security includes Tesla's Sentry mode, plus 12 4K cameras and radar sensors. Response speed: 100 milliseconds, 5 times faster than smart home rivals. That this is not just a home, it's a living AI ecosystem on wheels. Why are experts calling it the most disruptive housing innovation since the mortgage? The Tesla Tiny House's economics are staggering. At $5,678 base price, it's 88% cheaper than Boxable's $50,000 unit. Factor in zero utility bills, $3,600 wire saved, 65% lower insurance, and near zero maintenance, $200 yearly versus $4,500 for traditional homes. Over 20 years, ownership costs sit at just $89,890, compared to the $819,000 lifetime cost of a conventional house. Add in Tesla's self-diagnosing maintenance system, catching 94% of problems before they occur, reducing repairs to just $18 a month. No mortgage, that's $120,000 in avoided interest payments, plus location flexibility worth another $45,000. For a 45-year-old buyer, investing in a Tesla tiny house instead of a $50,000 mortgage could yield $420,000 in net savings by retirement. This isn't just housing, it's a financial revolution wrapped in technology. Here's the part that nobody's talking about. The Model 2 may not just be the cheapest Tesla ever. Insiders claim it could come with features hidden from early prototypes, like self-driving hardware baked into the price and energy storage that turns the car into a home battery on wheels. Imagine a $10,375 Tesla that powers your house, drives itself, and costs less than a used Corolla. If that's true, the Tesla Model 2 isn't just a car, it's the beginning of a new world. Finally, for just $5,678, Tesla has created something that delivers on Musk's promises of reusability, sustainability, and independence. But here's what I'll leave you with. Could this be the start of a future where technology finally empowers ordinary people instead of just the wealthy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't join the 165,000 people already subscribed by hitting that button and turning on the bell. That way you'll be the first to know what Tesla is about to reveal next.